Hello everybody, welcome back to the crypto realm. We're going to get right into it with a quick video here of Bitfarms. So Bitcoin miner Bitfarms starts production in Argentina, increases hash rate to 4.1 exahash. The Canadian company plans to open a second mining site in the country, which has low electricity costs next year. So that's a pretty smart move. Bitfarms is doing pretty well. Bitcoin BTC miner Bitfarms started production in Argentina, increasing its computing power, or hash rate, to 4.1 exahash. The Canadian miner added 10 megawatts of power capacity to its portfolio, but it aims to bring online a total of 50 megawatts in 10 megawatt increments in one warehouse in Argentina by the end of the year, according to a press release on Monday. But Bitfarms started construction of a second 50-watt warehouse in the country, which is expected to be completed at the start of the second quarter of 2023, the press release said. So Bitfarms ain't messing around. They're expanding. With attractive electricity pricing established last year under an 8-year private party owner contract, both facilities are expected to lower overall energy costs for our portfolio, despite rising commodity costs in the energy market, Jeff Morphy, President and Chief Operating Officer of Bitfarms, said in the press release. All right, so Bitfarms expects the cost of energy at the 50 megawatt Bitcoin mine that was started up located in Rio Cuarto will be the lowest across the 10 sites in its portfolio. 10 sites, that's pretty cool. So here's a little picture here for those of you looking at the screen. Bitfarms hash rate exceeds 4 exahash milestone as it commences production at its first warehouse in Argentina. Let's carry on. The Argentina expansion also marks the fourth country that Bitfarms mines in, the other three being the U.S., Canada, and Paraguay. This jurisdictional diversification shields the firm from geographic and climatic risks, Morphy said in the statement. Miners that hadn't diversified geographically have sometimes had a hard time getting production up and running after being struck by weather or political events. Yeah, for example, Marathon Digital Holdings saw 75% of its hash rate go offline after a storm hit its main operating site in Montana. Whew. Yeah, so I guess location is everything. So Bitfarms, they're not slowing down. They're continuing on what they're doing. This is pretty good for Bitcoin. All right, everybody. Thank you very much. Have a good one.